Do you want to install custom icon on your iPhone? And if you own the iPhone 17 Pro Max, you should be able to do that as well. So now first, all you have to do is just go into Safari, and then you need to go into howwatch.app. So I also link this website in my video description, and then click on theme, and after that you have like a bunch of icons. So these are the free icon, and some of them are paid. So if you want to use the free one, just go ahead and click on get. And then first of all, you need to also log in into your Gmail account. I already logged in, and then click on add to account. And now scroll down a bit, click on install theme. And now you need to select the icon that you want to install. So you can check how many icons as you can. Let's say I want to customize some of these icons, and there are a lot of them. So let me go into like Facebook, first time, example, install one icon right here. And now click on download, and then click on allow. And now go back here. You need to go back into setting, and then here you're gonna find profile downloaded, and click on install. Click on install, enter your iPhone passcode, click on install, and now click on the check button. Go back here, and you see the icon right there. So when I click on Facebook, it will let me open Facebook just like that. And then you need to move original icon or remove the original icon just like that. You only need to keep the custom icon one. So it looks cool, right? You can go ahead and try it. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then I will see you guys in the next one.